Hello and welcome back to school. Semester of online learning, but it's going to be okay. My name is Owen Davis, and this class is called The Physics of Earth and Space. This will be my 26th year of teaching, but it's going to be as if it's my first year of teaching because things have changed so much, as you obviously know. I hope you have a great year. It can be good. It can be really good. The important thing is you got to contact me and make sure that we're talking so that we're on the same page. We'll get the work done that we need to do and hopefully have some fun as we go. So, one thing you're going to notice is I just made a short little PowerPoint here. So, here's my name, Owen Davis, my email, owen.davis@fcps.org. My phone number is the school phone number 240-236-7000. All right, so this class is Physics of Earth and Space. So we basically have 3 units, and the first one we're going to do is called Earth Systems, and it deals with Earth layers, age of the Earth, plate tectonics. There's different types of plate tectonics and magnetic fields. Some of these things you may have covered somewhat in middle school, probably plate tectonics, but we're going to go into great length about the Earth's age and some of these other things. The second part is really about how humans interact with the Earth. And so we go into energy somewhat, some things about water and how we interact with that, some hazards of the Earth, and then we have a pretty big unit on climate change. And then lastly, we're going to talk about space. We're going to start with the Big Bang Theory and talk about how everything came to being, and then we'll spend some time talking about stars, how they're born, how long they live, what happens to them when they get too big. We'll spend some time talking about our own sun, and then we'll zero in on the Earth and the planets around it and how they move. So that's basically what will be in the class. This class is going to be scored differently than probably any class you've ever had because Frederick High School is doing what's known as competency-based learning. And so with competency-based learning, you're going to be scored on a rubric score. Every single assignment will be a rubric score. You either get a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4. You can have multiple opportunities to score, and you can retake several assignments, tests, quizzes, things like that to improve your score. We're also going to score you school-wide. You'll probably hear this in many classes on your habits of work. So we will give you a score about your attendance, how well you work by yourself. Of course, this being online learning, everything is going to be independent just about, although I'm going to try to do some group things too. Responsibility and effort, how well you get stuff in on time and how hard you're really trying so that the parents can kind of see how you're doing. Now, the summatives, which are tests, checkpoints, lab write-ups, things like that, that's going to be 90% of your grade. And then the formatives, which would be kind of reinforcing things for the tests, quizzes, warm-ups, things like that, are 10%. All right, let's do this. Let's take a minute here. Let me show you what an assignment's going to kind of look like. So on any given day, this is one from last semester. I may start off with a little video about myself, like you're looking at in the corner. You can click on that. It'll be about the lesson of the day. I might have you watch a video, answer some questions, and then I'll have some questions and things for you to fill out as you go, like this, and then there may be some questions here. And then I'll have you guys turn that in on Schoology, and you'll get a grade for that. Not everything will be graded. Some things will go as ungraded, but there's things you're going to need to do in order so that you can pass the tests and the quizzes. All right, let's go back to these slides for a second. Lastly, I'd like to say that there is some student support in the afternoons from 12:30 to 1:45. We can set up a Google Meet. You can email me. I'll answer questions any way I can. You can call me, or have me call you. Whatever we can do to get you to understand what I want you to do from a distance, so that you'll be able to do it also. I hope you have a great semester. It's going to be a weird semester because it's online, but it can be pretty good. So I hope you are well, and I hope you enjoy the class.